Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Persol model PO3195S in color code 1054/31. The color of this frame is dark Havana. The style of the frame is fashion square. And this frame is erexable. On the temples here, we have a silver detailing. This is the inside of the frame. This frame is made in Italy, and the inside left temple tip, we have a Persol writing in white. The other side of the temple is the same. The color of the lenses are green, and they're 100% UV protected tempered glass. This frame also comes with a black Persol case. We have a Luxottica manufacturer booklet, an authenticity booklet, and a Persol cleaning cloth.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.